This is one of the HR data having a name, basic salary, total service, joining date, department, designation, and etc. This is basically fictitious data. It has 41 total entries. So for some reason, if you have a lengthy data, 800 or something like that, so you have a very big data in just in case. So it would be very difficult for you to check the individual details from this data. And if you apply a filter, then again you need to scroll down the whole numbers of the data, and then you identify about their details. So how you will get the data in one single column about everything. We need to check our requirement. You need to select the header of your required data, and then Control C or Command C to copy it, and then somewhere here you have to paste by paste transpose. So if you paste transpose, then you will have this data in the column instead of rows. So now you have this data, and somewhere here you would like to check have their detail that Mr. X, what is his date of birth, age, designation, department, etc. So these details you want them here. So first of all, what we need here, we'll select that where we want the name of a person. So we select the column N2. So basically you want here the name of the individual whom details you required. So for that matter, you will go this data tab and then go to the data validation, and here any value we have to select the list, and for the source we would go from the first name till your last name, whatever it is, 40 or 40,000 or whatever it is, and select it, collapse this list and say OK, press OK. So here you will see that you have the names of your all employees in this column N2. From here, what we will do to extract the relevant information which you need it, what we do, we will convert this data into the list or into the table. For that matter, you have to shortcut is about Command T or Control T, and this all data have been selected. You must ensure it that the data, all data has been selected, and just press 1. OK. After pressing OK, then you give the name of the table. So for this purpose, we name it extract. So this is the name of the table. All right. So now the homework has been ready. In order to extract the relevant information from the HR database, we need to employ index, indirect, and match functions over here. So now let's start the formula. As we know, all formulas are started with the plus sign or the is equal sign. So is equal to index, and then hit tab, and then write indirect function, and then inverted commas, write the name of your table, which is in our case is extract. Open the parenthesis, and then again inverted commas, again join them with ampersand sign, and after the ampersand sign select the reference, which is date of birth, and again put another ampersand sign, and then inverted commas, and then close the bracket, and then again put another inverted commas, put another parenthesis, and then inverted commas, and then write another function, which is match function. So click match function and select the what requirement, what we are looking for. We are looking for the N2, which is basically the name of the employee. So we select N2 and make it absolute reference, and after that put another comma, and then again write the name of the data, which is extract in our case, and then an open bracket again and write the employee name and then close the bracket but then put another comma, and what we need the exact match. Close the parenthesis and then hit enter. So here you see there is an error which shows a NA, and if we click up to down, it's showing no result. And basically, we have not given him the name of an employee which you press details. That is about date of birth, age, etc. So if we select here, or in some cases, if you write the name of the employee, just N, so there is a name, first name is similar. So if we click this name, and then you will see the date of birth is there, age, designation, department, and everything is there. So that is how you can extract the data from the HR database in Excel. Thank you very much.